Hello friends, welcome back on your favorite channel Neat Prep for Biology by AJ. Today I am back with a new series of questions on chapter Biodiversity and Conservation. These questions are very much important and may come in your NEET exam. So please go through these questions, and if you are a new viewer to this channel, so please do subscribe, share with your friends so that they can also gain knowledge. Here we start a video with the first question. Question 1. Three levels of biodiversity are A. Genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecological diversity. B. Species diversity, ecological diversity, and habitat diversity. C. Geographical diversity, genetic diversity, and habitat diversity. D. Ecological diversity, species diversity, and community diversity. I repeat the question. Three levels of biodiversity are, and the correct answer for the first question is A, that is genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecological diversity. Question second. Genetic diversity is the measure of A. Varieties of the species and their relative abundance present within a region. B. Variety in the genetic information contained in the organism. C. Diversity of the genes at community and ecosystem level. D. All of the above. I repeat the question. Genetic diversity is the measure of. And correct answer for the second question is B. That is variety in the genetic information contained in the organism. Question 1. Diversity increases from A poles to equator, D equator to poles, C both A and B, D none of these. I repeat the question. Biodiversity increases from, and the correct answer for the first question is B1, that is equator to poles. Question second. From low latitude to high latitude, biodiversity A decreases, B increases, C remains same, D first decreases then increases. I repeat the question. From lower latitude to high altitude, biodiversity, and the correct answer for the second question is A, that is decreases. Slide third. Question 1. Iceland ecosystem is the most vulnerable due to A. Small size and small number of species, B. Large size and large number of species, C. Large size only, D. Small size only. I repeat the question. Iceland ecosystem is the most vulnerable due to, and the correct answer is A, that is small size and small number of species. Question second. Water hygiene was introduced in Indian water to reduce pollution. It is an example of A. Disturbance and degradation, C. B. Coextinction, C. Alien species invasion, D. Overexploit, Overexploitation. I repeat the question. Water hyacinth was introduced in Indian water to reduce pollution. It is an example of, and the correct answer for the second question is C1, that is alien species invasions. Fourth slide. Question 1. More than 25% of the drugs are derived from the plants. What benefit does it describe? This describe A. Aesthetic value, B. Ethical value, C. Indirect economic value, D. Direct economic. I repeat the question. More than 25% of the drug are derived from the plants. What benefit does this describe? And the correct answer for the first question is C1, that is indirect economic value. Question second. Conservation in the natural habitat is A. In situ, B. Ex situ, C. Zoo, D. Botanical garden. I repeat the question. Conservation is in the natural habitat is, and the answer is A. In situ. Question 1. What is the sustainable use of resources? A. Protected strips of the land that allow organisms to migrate from one wilderness area to another. B. A law that makes it illegal to do harm to the species that are listed as endangered and threatened. C. The ability to use natural resources in a way that helps people to protect the ecosystem. D. The study of the method which help to protect biodiversity. I repeat the question. What is the sustainable use of resources? And the correct answer for the first question is C1, that is the ability to use natural resources in a way that helps people to protect the ecosystem. Second question. Sacred groves in India are related with A. Cultural tradition, B. It is the place where threatened species are protected, C. It is a place where only artificial animal breeding is allowed, D. Forest patches around the place of worship. I repeat the second question. Sacred groves in India are related to, and the correct answer is D, that is forest patches around the places of worship. Question 1. The important level of biodiversity are A. Genetic biodiversity, B. Species biodiversity, C. Ecological biodiversity, D. All of these. I repeat the question. The important level of biodiversity are, and the correct answer is D, that is all of these. Question second. Which among the following hypothesis explains richness of tropical forest in the term of species biodiversity? A. David Tillman hypothesis, B. Species area relationship by Alexander and Wall Humboldt, C. River proper hypothesis, D. None of the above. I repeat the question. Which among the following hypothesis explains richness of tropical forest in terms of species biodiversity? And the correct answer for the second question is B, that is species area relationship by Alexander Wald Humboldt. Seventh slide, question 1. Which of the following countries has the highest biodiversity? A. Brazil, B. South Africa, C. Russia, D. India. I repeat the question. Which one of the following countries has the highest biodiversity? And the correct answer is A, that is Brazil. Question second. Which of the following is not a cause for loss of biodiversity? A. Destruction of habitat, B. Invasion of alien species, C. Keeping animals in zoological parks, D. Over exploitation of natural resources. I repeat the question. Which of the following is not a cause for loss of biodiversity? And the correct answer for the second question is C, that is keeping animals in zoological parks. Slide 8, question 1. The active chemical drug Rasparin is obtained from A. Datura, B. Davolfia, C. Atropha, D. Papaver. The active chemical drug Rasparin is obtained from, and the correct answer is B, that is Davolfia. Second question. Which of the following groups exhibit more species diversity? A. Gymnosperm, B. Algae, C. Bryophytes, D. Fungi. Which of the following group exhibit more species diversity? And the correct answer is D, that is fungi. Question 9. Slide 9, question 1. Which of the following is responsible for biodiversity loss? A. Habitat loss and fragmentation, B. Alien species invasion, C. Co-extinction, D. All of the above. I repeat the question. Which of the following is responsible for biodiversity loss? And the correct answer for the first question is D, that is all of the above. Question second. A species facing extremely high risk of extinction in the immediate future is called A. Vulnerable, B. Endemic, C. Critically endangered, D. Extinct. I repeat the question. A species facing extremely high risk of extinction in the immediate future is called. And the correct answer for the second question is C, that is critically endangered. Question 1. Which of the most important function of botanical garden is that A. One can observe tropical plants there, B. They allow access to conservation of the germplasm, C. They provide the natural habitat for wildlife, D. They provide a beautiful area for recreation. I repeat the question. One of the most important function of botanical garden is that, and the correct answer for the first question is B, that is they allow access to conservation of the germplasm. Question second. A historic conservation on the biological diversity held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992 is known as the Earth Summit, B. Montreal Protocol, C. Geneva Conservation Convention, D. Scenario Convention. I repeat the question. A historic convention on the biological diversity held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992 is known as, and the correct answer is A, that is the Earth Summit. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. If you are a new viewer to this channel, so please do subscribe, share with your friends so they can also gain knowledge.